What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best robot vacuums through extensive research and testing. I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Eufy RoboVac X8. The best value robot vacuum on the market in 2023. This model is packed with dual cyclone technology, with dual turbines to increase suction for better cleaning. The robot vacuum has a LiDAR sensor. It uses artificial intelligence in the same way that Eufy's leading home security cameras and video intercoms do. The same X8 technology detects and avoids obstacles during cleaning. Additionally, it includes a 0.15-gallon dust cup that compresses the material as it enters the container to collect as much as possible. The rechargeable battery lasts 180 minutes, and the Boost IK technology automatically increases the suction power when it recognizes the mat. It's ideal for busy but uncluttered homes where you can roam freely on a regular basis and keep your floors clean without outside help. In addition, the Eufy RoboVac X8 has a brighter look on top with pink and blue parts. At 3.7 inches tall, this model won't fit under furniture with tight clearance. Still, this is a compact robot vacuum cleaner, measuring 13.8 inches in diameter. The device uses ultra-pack technology to condense the residue as much as possible, so you don't have to empty it as often. A high-performance washable filter is located in the dust container. Pure power, turbo, and max suction power settings are available. The Boost IQ setting allows the vacuum to increase suction power based on floor type automatically. The device efficiently manages most rooms, carefully avoiding obstacles, easily transitions from hard floor to deep pile carpet and cleans it. The Eufy RoboVac X8 can run for up to 3 hours before needing to be recharged, depending on the power settings. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you're a pet owner, check out the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus Evo, the best pet robot vacuum cleaner on the market in 2023. The first impression you get here is that this model seems more compact and lighter than other iRobot models. This iRoomba i3 Plus trades the usual glossy finish of other models for a set of 2 textures, one matte plastic and the other fabric. If you attach great importance to the aesthetics of your home, the design of this robot vacuum cleaner can be a plus. There are 3 buttons on the top, the box for sending to the base, Spot Clean for localized cleaning, and the Clean button, the largest and in the central position. Around this button there is an LED light that'll inform us of the status depending on the color and the way it's illuminated. We finished the upper part with an Archon sensor, which is used to detect the position of the base. It has a shock sensor on the front that detects obstacles such as walls. At the bottom, there are 4 bump sensors that'll prevent the robot from falling down the stairs, and an optical ground tracking sensor to optimize its path by drawing lines, the main responsible for its navigation. It's worth stopping at the upside-down robot because one of its advantages is precisely its 2 central rubber rollers. This material and arrangement are common in the high-end iRobot range, standing out for its greater durability and hair-catching ability, ideal for pets. The power of this model is 10 times that of the Roomba 600 series. The device is capable of vacuuming crumbs, hair, dust, and sand. With the official app, we can make the most of the virtues of Roomba i3 Plus. With the Roomba i3 Plus, iRobot has added a premium feature, a self-emptying tank, to a more affordable model. Both in the manual and in the app itself, we can find out how to maintain and care for the Roomba i3 Plus. Highly recommended. Up next, we present to you the Roborock Q5 Plus, the best smart robot vacuum available on the market in 2023. We're looking at a new generation robot with an elegant and modern design in black, made with the usual construction quality of the brand. Its advanced navigation system allows you to move quickly, smoothly, and efficiently. It has good suction power, and the app control allows you to control it very easily and access a wide range of functions. In addition, self-emptying provides maximum comfort and hygiene. You can forget about dirt for weeks and avoid clouds of dust, which is an ideal system for allergy sufferers. As usual, the robot comes partially charged, but it's recommended to charge the device before first use fully. Charging time is between 5 and 6 hours, and its lithium battery provides autonomy of up to 180 minutes, enough to clean large areas thanks to its high efficiency. Anyway, if it doesn't finish a full cleanup, it has a recharge and a resume, so it returns to base. And when it's recharged, it continues the cleanup where it left off to finish it. The base comes in 2 parts which must be joined together. The screws and the screwdriver needed for this are also included, and it's a very simple process. You just have to turn the stand over, place it on a flat and soft surface like a carpet or a towel, and screw the bottom part. The Roborock Q5 Plus can be controlled via the buttons on the top, via voice commands compatible with Alexa, Google Home and Siri, and via the app. The Roborock Q5 Plus navigation system combines various sensors, including accelerometers, anti-shock and anti-fall, to achieve precise, fluid, and efficient movements, covering 100% of the house and finishing cleaning in less time. Its advanced laser sensor PresiSense, based on light detection and ranging technology, accurately measures the distance between the robot and its environment, and it has a range of several feet, allowing it to move predictively, anticipating obstacles before it reaches them. This new generation of Roborock includes 3D mapping, which allows us to see the map created by the robot in 3 dimensions, with the possibility of adding furniture and types of floors, creating a home more precisely. Thumbs up, that's for sure. The next product we'll talk about is the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, the silver medalist for today, or the runner-up best robot vacuum on the market in 2023. This model has a nice, high-quality design, a great app with smart mapping, and automatic dirt removal. It also does a great job cleaning. It's not perfect though, as it's neither the quietest nor the cheapest, far from it. But if you're looking for a robot vacuum that gets the job done right, the S9 Plus should be on your consideration list. It actually looks a lot better than most robot vacuums thanks to the rose gold metal cover, which sets it apart from the standard black plastic look that's so typical. The right part of the D shape has a shiny strip that gives it a premium look. The curved element has holes with the engine behind it, while on top is the camera and sensor technology. There are 2 green main brushes on the bottom that can be easily removed with a clip in case something gets stuck. And there's a corner brush for those hard-to-reach areas and corners to clean. Like many of iRobot's robot vacuums, the S9 Plus has a number of features, plus a few unique ones. The best feature, in our opinion, is the automatic dirt removal, which both the i7 Plus and J7 Plus have. So when the bin is full, the robot returns to base and empties it before returning to where it left off to finish the job at hand assigned to him. The second best feature, in our opinion, is the advanced V-Slam navigation technology that makes the S9 Plus create an accurate map of your home. Apparently, it does this by comparing more than 230,000 data points every second to create an accurate map. The iRobot app's Imprint Smart Mapping feature lets you name rooms on that map and tell the S9 Plus which ones you want to clean and when. This means you can choose to clean the kitchen at 6 p.m., right after dinner, for example. Other features include Perfect Edge technology, designed to clean edges and corners, and a 3-stage cleaning system for better cleaning than the i7 Plus or Roomba 980. This model also has an anti-allergy system. The iRobot S9 Plus is set up and controlled via the iRobot app, which is very intuitive and easy to use. The cleaning quality of the S9 Plus is perfect for everyday cleaning, although if you want a deep clean, we say it's not quite up to the task. However, if you set the S9 Plus to clean every day, the deep clean shouldn't be that frequent. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present to you the gold medal and the title of the best overall robot vacuum on the market in 2023, the Roborock S7 MaxV. In the past, we've had robot vacuums that come with their own docking station for vacuuming, like the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus and Roborock's S7 Plus. But the new S7 MaxV Ultra steps it up a notch, as it also cleans the mop head and keeps the water tank fresh. In terms of vacuuming, this is by far the most complete robotic vacuum cleaner out there. The new flagship model has an impressive suction capacity that doubles the S7 and S6 MaxV models. Also, it has a reactive AI obstacle avoidance system, actually an improved version 2.0. This means that thanks to an array of RGB cameras, 3D structured light, and an all-new neural processing unit, it can see objects in its path and quickly adapt to move around them. The Roborock S7 MaxV recognizes and positions your furniture in the Roborock app, enabling quick cleaning around dining tables or sofas with a touch of the app icon. The S7 MaxV carries over the room recognition technology that impressed previous Roborock models and can even identify the floors in a room, enabling ideal cleaning patterns, suction power, and specific cleaning intensity. Like the S7 Max has VibraRise, Sonic Sweep, and Smart Auto Rise. Beneath the scanning pad is an ultrasonic vibrating plate. In the Roborock app, you can choose between high cleaning intensity settings. When the S7 MaxV detects that it's left a hard floor and landed on a rug or carpet, the wet pad is raised to prevent it from leaving traces of moisture. When the pad is raised, the water flow stops and the vibrations stop. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.